Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Studios channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of trendy creative winter woolen cap design ideas. It's pretty obvious that shielding your head with a warm hat is crucial in crazy cold weather. But like any item of clothing that is more practical than fashionable, pulling it off in a chic way is not exactly easy. This week, we challenged Style Panel and asked them to share their tips for rocking a hat this winter. From choosing the right color and style to pairing it with certain pieces. Here are 8 ways to wear your winter hat this winter without looking crazy. Different types of trendy creative winter woolen cap designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.